Hi, welcome to booth N6115. I'm John Kipp, the Director of Strategic Growth for D2D Technologies. We're so excited. This is our second InfoComm. It's 2026, so we're proud to be here. We've got two products that we're going to show off. And no, we didn't build it that way. We didn't have one product last year, and now we got two this year. We have two this year because this crowd deserves to have this. This is the Flex1000. This is our first endpoint that we've ever made. We've been in the broadcast business for over 20 years. We're responsible for bringing emergency alert messages to you every single day in every state in the union, but now we have an endpoint. What does it do? It takes secure IPSRT transport streams. These are programs, movies, files, JPEGs, PNGs, and we put them onto a monitor. We can take that stream, we can recognize a SCUDdy trigger, which is a trigger that the broadcast industry uses for ad insertion, and we can insert an ad. So you can have your own program, and in that program, you can say, hey, it's time to run an ad. But that ad doesn't have to be the same ad that runs everywhere in the footprint. So if you had an arena and you had a certain team on one side and another team on the other side, and you wanted to give a message directly to that specific team or those fans of that team, you could do that. Or you could have a different message each one. We are very excited to be here. Thank you. Please come by. And oh yeah, website, right? D2D Technologies.com.